inspiring us and inspiring so many other youngsters to start very early to play. Then I want to thank Shen at the guitar. Francesco at the djembe. Rush at the djembe. Spike at the double bass. Amir, drum kit. Alex, myself. The sound technicians. But tonight especially we want to thank you. Because you had to wait a long time. And also under the rain. And yet you were so into the dance. It's so inspiring. We want really to thank you so much.